To my channel, myself Ganesh. Today we are talking about this concept that is the shape rule. Okay, so what is nothing but this shape rule and why we are using this shape rule? Okay, so the shape rule is nothing but to avoid this manual interruption to attach my recipes, whatever the recipes are available under this run list. So with the node, okay, we are using this concept of the rule. Okay, so whatever the in previous video we have saw these, whatever the cookbooks are available, we have created two cookbook, that is iron hyphen cookbook and one is the web hyphen cookbook. So in both the cookbook multiple recipes are available, right? So if someone, if in your existing environment someone asks you to create new cookbook, so whatever the recipes I want to write, so for that I require new cookbooks, and under that cookbook you need to run and you need to attach it. So at that time, that is the difficult task for you, and there is some manual command you need to put. First you need to uh, the three steps are common for this automation, because whatever the node in your environment, so that nodes you need to add it using this knife space bootstrap. So this is the command we have already discussed. So first one command you need to use. Second command, you need to apply that particular recipes, okay, particular recipes to the node. Okay, whatever the node is there, so you need to apply it, and then you need to upload that particular cookbook. Okay, but in these role concepts, we are applying that particular, we are adding that particular recipes under the role. Okay, and using that role we can apply it. So whatever the recipes are available from any cookbook, we need to just specify, because already some cookbooks are available, and whatever the new cookbook we are creating, so what only we need to add that particular recipes under to that role, and that role we can apply to that particular node only. Okay, so we will do this under this demonstration. So there are some basic commands, we need to check it first. So I am clear. First I'm going to clear, this is my workstation. So there are some commands, that is the knife space node space list. This is the first command you need to use. Second command, that is the client space list, second command. Third command, that is role, knife space role space list command you need to use. And there is no role is assigned right now. And fourth command, that is the cookbook. So whatever the cookbooks are attached with your shape server, you can check it using this command. So these are the four commands we can use normally in the shape to check with your shape server. Now if you want to remove anything, if suppose you want to remove any cookbook, so you need to mention knife space cookbook space delete space that cookbook name. Okay, whatever the cookbook, here is the cookbook, web cookbook. So this command you need to use. Second command you need to use, that is role. So same argument you need to use, delete space whatever the role is assigned you need to specify here. If you want to delete your node, you need to use this node space delete space that node name. If suppose you want to delete any particular node, you can mention here. If you want to delete your client, you can delete it using this command, client space delete space that client name, that is node 2. So like that you can use. These are the four commands. So total 8 commands are there to check this list and to delete it. Okay, so now we are creating one rule. So how you can create the rule? Okay, so there is one folder we have created, that is cookbook. and one is the folder that is the roles. Okay, so just go under this role folder and check ls space hyphen a. So there is the starter.rb file is there, right? So I am going to create one file with the name vi space, suppose I am going to specify that name as mm, okay, DevOps dot rb. So this is my recipe I am going to create under this role. Just insert it, and here you need to mention the name of your role. So I am giving the name that is the role. No, I'm going to name that is master. Okay, this is my master, this is my role name I am going to specify here, and just close with the double inverted comma. If you want to describe about this role, so you can describe this is the final DevOps lab. Okay, and I am going to add run underscore list. You need to specify this list using this command, that is run underscore list space recipe square bracket web hyphen cookbook. This is my cookbook, 2 times colon space, you need to specify your recipe name, that is web hyphen recipe. Okay, close it and just save it. Okay, now go to under this shape.repo. Now you need to upload this role on the shape server. So how you can upload the role? So the command is knife space role space from file. Okay, so this is the argument role, here is the role, this is the argument you need to use, that is knife space role space from space file space. Here you need to specify this role slash roles slash, and you need to specify this name, that is DevOps. Okay, enter it. Error, couldn't find this role DevOps in current directory. Okay, under roles, okay, one moment. Alias. Okay, under roles we need to specify, under roles you need to go, and here you need to run this command. Okay, where it is not working, this command. Shape hyphen repo, from here only we need to run this command actually. Okay, yeah, this is the RB. Okay, path is different. Okay, role from file knife command or plugin encounter respected describe. Okay, describe cd space role vi space layouts describe. Okay, here information, that is description. Okay, description, save it, check it again. Still getting error. Okay, description. Control cd space role vi DevOps descriptions. Descriptions. And save it. But one step back. Run it. Now can check. Yeah, it's uploaded. Okay. The name is master. Okay, this is my updated role name, that is master, and you can check it using this knife space role space list command. You can check this role is assigned, that is my master role. Now, yeah, so the command we have used, first command, that is we have added that role. First we have created one recipe for that role. We have specified this role name. After specifying this role name, just we have added, we have uploaded that roles to the shape server. Now it is attached. Okay, same we have done for this cookbook also in previous video. Now you need to check the list. If you want to check the list, you can check it using this knife space node space list. If you want to check this node space shows for particular node 1 what recipes and roles are assigned, you can check it. So this is for this node 1 or node 2, you can check it. And now you need to upload your cookbook. Okay, using this knife command, knife space cookbook space upload space web hyphen cook. Okay, now check the public IP address of your machine and just paste it here. Yeah, it is now working out. So this is the way you can add it. Now we are going to use just I am going to add it under my cookbook, under my recipes. So first I need to check what is the information under that cat space web recipes web cookbook. This is the content I have added here. Okay, now I need to edit my and this is my DevOps RV. If you want to add another ACP, you can add it here and run it again. And suppose okay, I'm going to add here okay, only web hyphen cookbook. Okay, so in last demo we have done this only specific one recipe we have applied, and if you want to apply all the recipes inside this cookbook, so you can use this cookbook name only. So whatever the recipes are available inside this cookbook, so it will run automatically, right? So now you need to use this command again, that is knife role space file from file role and your devs file name uploaded. Now you need to upload your cookbook. Okay, this I'm going to change some parameter inside it and check it. Vi enter. This is the automation. This is the lab or role and save it. Just load it. Okay, now I'm going to use this command again. 99. Okay, let's see it is working or not. Copying this public IP address, paste it here. Define, yeah, this is the automation. Okay, no. Yeah, this is the lab for role. Now it is updated. That means it is working, right? So all we have done. If you want to add two recipes, yeah, if you want to add two cookbooks in single role, so how we can do it? Same things you need to do. Just you need to specify here, that is and you need to specify your recipe name again, and before that you need to okay, you need to remove it. Recipe square bracket up iron hyphen cookbook and close it, save it. So like that you can apply multiple cookbooks under this single role. Okay, just save it. Need to touch it. Okay, syntax error expecting iron hyphen cookbook. Okay, 1 minute, I need to check ls. Okay, under this cookbook, what are the cookbooks are available? Iron hyphen cookbook and web cookbook, right? Okay. Series space rs. Here syntax error is to ship open roles develop syntax error unexpected error literal expecting enough input cookbook. Okay, 1 minute, I need to check it. Either recipe. Oh, here I have closed it. So you need to close it after completion. Okay, so just save it again. Now check it again. Unable to create your own list. Let's specify. Okay. Here. Okay. Again, I want to check it. Yeah, I think this is the parameter we need to use. Yeah, perfect. It's working now. And we need to upload this role to the server. Now you need to use this command, that is cookbook upload a batch, that is iron cookbook. Yeah, it's done. Okay, So this is the method. You can attach multiple cookbooks at the single time in a single role. So you can do it using this command. Now almost we have done. Again, what is remaining? Okay, if you want to install if you want to install multiple packages, so how you can install it? Okay, so I'm going to install some software under Node 2. Okay, so how you can install it? So I'm going to create one cookbook. Just one moment. One recipe I need to create. This is the recipe. Okay, here is the recipe 1 and 2. So under recipe 1 I need to edit something. So here already done some configuration. Here I am going to add something, that is percent w space curly bracket. Going to install some packages like git comma git space telnet space nmap space vsftpd. So these are the software I am going to install at one time on the server, and you need to specify dot each. For each one, do one argument I am going to specify, that is p suppose, and just enter it. Here I am going to specify this package space p, and here I am going to specify do. Enter action, and action just I am going to install all these packages. Enter it, end it, and end it. Okay, so using this parameter means dot each, one by one software will install. Means first will install git, then second telnet nmap vsftpd. So like that the software will install it. Now I'm going to upload it. Knife space cookbook space upload space this is my cookbook name, right? Install it. Okay, there is some error I'm getting. Knife space cookbooks. Fatal error recipes 1 has ruby syntax. Okay, there is some syntax error is occurred. Percent git blue dot each to p package p to action install it. Packages p. Yeah, I need to check it first. 1 minute. Okay, actually there is no space after percent w. I'm just saving it again. Check it. Go upload. Yeah, perfect. It is working now, right? So you can check either it is working or not in my machine. So automatically it will install all the softwares on my node 1 and node 2. So this is the method, and this is the end of this shape automation tool. So from next video we will start up this Docker concept. So thank you guys, thank you to watching this video.